So here's the Apple AirPods that I am charging because it's already low in battery, and also showing you how to connect or pair it with an Android phone. You are able to use it with an Android phone, and my specific Android phone is the Zflip6, which I will be showing you. See, it's charging right now. So when it's charging, it's steady amber red in color, so it's charging right. And then here's the Z Flip 6. As soon as you've what the difference with using it with Z Flip 6 or an Android phone is it doesn't connect automatically all the time. So you would want to go to your Bluetooth and make sure that you connect it or pair it again every time you want to use it with the Apple AirPods. And then it does not pair or connect if the AirPod is sitting just like that. You have to open it up. So as soon as you open it up, it's gonna start automatically pairing and connecting it to your Android phone, like what you're seeing now, and now it's connected. So you should be able to use it. So that's the cons of using your AirPod with an Android phone. You'd have to manually connect it because it disconnects, and you just have to keep reconnecting every time.